So here I have an LG phone that has a broken screen, so I'll be doing a repair and replacing that screen with this guy right here. So the very first thing to do is remove the back case. I'm just using my finger to pry that off. Remove the battery. It's a ZNFD850. You'll also want to remove the SIM card if you have one installed. And then what I'm doing now is just going around the perimeter. There are these very small star screws so that you're removing. They're all the same size, I believe, but just make sure that you don't lose them. They're very small. After I remove that, the black casing can be removed using a little pick there. So I'm just using a little pick and removing the black casing. Just going along, it just should just pop off. Now flipping over the phone, I'm removing the screen, the broken screen. You have to heat it up, and there's adhesive around the outside. So after you get it heated up, you can put a little pry bars in there, or playing cards, whatever you want to use. And there's the screen right off. What I'm doing now is just reheating up the plastic. There's a adhesive there, so that when I put on the new screen, it's going to stick on. So now I've inserted the new screen, so it won't be coming off. It has a good connection there. Flipping it over, I'm installing all the components that were removed. There's the microphone and the speaker and the camera as well. I'm putting everything back where in the same place as the old one. Clip it on the outside case back on. And let's just power on, see if it's working here. There you go. There's a repair of the LG screen.
Again, if you have more, you can go to nuisanceelectronics.com and scroll on over and check out my repair blog. Okay? Talk to you next time.